Just got this word solitaire puzzle, and you can make up to 26 words, and it has 52 letters in it. We're gonna open it up and you can see all the word puzzles in it. So we have all these letters, so many shapes that we can make letters out of. These word puzzles will keep your kids entertained. It will help exercise their memory, their observation, their cognitive learning skills, and you can learn so many words from it. And she was able to make a couple of words.
Jet.
Jet. So what does that say?
Van.
Van. So one thing I loved especially was just the array of familiar words that she could make, and I love that this is waterproof and you can even make longer words. So this is something that will keep your kids' attention focused for a long time, and we absolutely love it.